I'm going to be creating my holiday look at home using my new Sally Beauty products. There are a few kind of life philosophies that I have. One is that you can't change the cards you've been dealt, but you can change the way that you play them. And the other one is people are going to stare, so make it worth their while. Hi, my name's Lucy. My pronouns are she, her. I am from Sydney, Australia, and I moved to New York City about 6 years ago, and I love living here. I am a proud disabled woman. I am a wheelchair user due to a rare type of motor neuron disease, and I have multiple invisible disabilities as well. One of the things that really helped me embrace my new identity as a wheelchair user was embracing my love for beauty. And with a lot of practice and some different little tips and tricks, it made things a lot easier for me, and I felt like I could really express myself and show my personality to the world again. So I've got my hair color and the color developer into the bowl, ready to mix using the color brush. And it's pink, my favorite color. I'm gonna mix this up so it is the perfect consistency. When I'm doing my hair at home, I like to use the clips to put it into sections. The other great thing about this color is that it has great coverage for grays. So if you're like me and you have a few gray hairs starting to, peek through the rest of your hair, this is going to cover them right up, which I love. Always make sure you get the right here on your hairline. That's a part that people often miss. Now it's time to let my hair sit for 30 to 45 minutes. And while I'm waiting for the color to develop, I'm going to start doing my nails, the next part of my holiday look. To start on my hair styling, I'm first going to dry my hair using the Chi Ionic hair dryer. So this has got 2 speed settings, 3 heat settings, and a cold short button. It's got the concentrator attachment and the diffuser attachment as well. So I'm going to be doing some really fun, almost 70s inspired waves in my hair. And to get that look, I'm going to be using the Ion Luxe Adjustable Deep Waver. I'm just going to show you the little picture on the back. It shows you the 4 different levels of wave that you can get, and I'm going to go with the tightest wave. I'm also going to be using a couple of Chi products to get this look. So I'm using the hairspray when I'm doing the waves, and then at the end I'll be using the shine spray to give it an all over holiday glam shine. So we want to hold it on for a second so it can really get that wave, and then move it down the hair. You can change how close, how far you want your waves to be. So I have this new Aqua Lash from Ardell. This is water activated adhesive. So I have trimmed the lash to be the right size for my eyes, and now I'm going to dip it in water, which activates the adhesive. And the finishing touch is the shine spray. Now to put on my holiday outfit, and I'm ready to go. And now, this is my holiday glam look.